Welcome to OnlineAcademy. In today's video, we'll break down how to turn your side hustle into a $1 million business in just 1 year. If you're serious about building a life-changing business, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's dive in. The first step is choosing the right business model, one that can grow quickly without you being involved in every detail. Some examples of scalable businesses include e-commerce, affiliate marketing, online courses, and content creation. To scale, you need to create real value for your audience. When you solve a problem or entertain, your audience will stay loyal. The more value you create, the more people will pay for your offerings, accelerating growth. Effective marketing is key. You need a solid sales funnel that turns leads into customers. Use digital marketing tools to boost visibility and optimize your funnels to convert visitors into paying customers. As your hustle grows, automate processes to save time. The more you can automate, the more you can focus on scaling. Track key metrics to understand what's working, and if something isn't working, pivot. You can't do everything alone. To scale fast, build a team of experts. Reaching $1 million in a year requires urgency. Set big goals and act quickly to scale your side hustle. Turning your side hustle into a $1 business in 1 year is challenging but achievable with the right approach. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with anyone looking to scale their business.